Hey y'all, in this video I'm going to go ahead and do two more examples from the Dimensional Analysis Independent Practice Worksheet, starting with number 7. It says the island is rich with hot chili peppers. You can collect 1.6 pecks a day, so that's my given 1.6 pecks per day. How many liters could you collect in 1 week? So the unknown, what I'm trying to find, is liters per week. This is an example where I have units on the top and the bottom, so I need to make sure that I give conversions to go from the top unit, pecks, to the other top unit, liters, and I need to give conversions to go from the bottom units, days to weeks. Okay, the days to weeks one is pretty easy. We know that there are 7 days equal to 1 week. Okay, for pecks to liters, that one's a little bit more. I'll give these to you. You have pecks here, and it says 4 pecks equals 32 quarts. So I know I'm gonna need that one. I'm gonna write that down. 4 pecks equals 32 quarts. But I still have to figure out how to get to liters. So I also need this one here. This 1 liter equals 1.0567 quarts. Okay, so now I could use that to get from pecks to quarts and then quarts to liters. Okay, I needed to go from pecks to liters. So I have everything that I need. I'm gonna start setting it up. I have 1.6 pecks, okay, per day. I'm gonna put that 1 day on the bottom. Okay, this fraction is representing I have 1.6 pecks for every 1 day. Then I'm gonna take it from there, canceling stuff out. I'm gonna start with the pecks and deal with that first before I move on to the days and the weeks. So pecks is on top of this fraction. On the bottom of the next one needs to be pecks so that it cancels out. So 4 pecks goes on the bottom, and that 32 quarts is gonna go on the top. So I've used that one. I didn't need it in quarts. I still need to get it to liters. So I also need to use this one now. Quarts is on the top of this one, so it needs to be on the bottom of the next. 1.0567 quarts, and that's equal to 1 liter. So that liter goes on top. Okay, I needed liters on the top unit to solve it, so I'm good with that. However, I do need to still change the days to weeks. Okay, this is where it gets a little bit tricky. Previously, we've always put it on the bottom if we needed to cancel. However, days are already on the bottom. So I need to put it on the top of the next one so that it will cancel. So 7 days, these days and days will cancel, and that is for every 1 week. 7 days is 1 week. Now, if I cancel out everything, that cancels. So like pecks and pecks, quarts, and then days and days. The only units that I have left are liters on the top and weeks on the bottom. Okay, and that's what I needed. I needed to know how many liters for every week. So put this in your calculator. Remember, multiply across the top, divide across the bottom. So I would put 1.6 times 32 times 7 divided by 4 divided by 1.0567. Okay, the answer that you get in the calculator is 84.79. And don't forget your unit is liters per week.